Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I'm out here in Barrier, gonna see if I can find a few bass. I got 3 poles with me. I got a crankbait, a frog, and a worm. Hopefully the wind is supposed to pick up later on, so hopefully I have enough time to catch at least 1 or 2. But I'm gonna start out with the worm. I got a brand new combo. I'm liking these 13 fishing. I think I'm gonna start using them more often. Got the shaky head with the June bug color. Gonna see what happens. It's a little breezy right now, but I think we might be able to find 1 or 2. Got him. Got him. Oh, look at that. Check that out. Should have brought my live well. Come on, stop flopping. First fish of the day, not a bass, but I'll take it. Got him. Didn't even really fight. Come on. Little dink bass. I don't even think he's a pound. Look how dark he is. Check it out. Yep, that was it. Something hit it again right there. 1 worm down. Oh, what was that? Got him. Little dude. Little baby bass. Alright, so I got everything loaded up. And while I'm right here, I'll go do some grocery shopping. I got some thistle down here. Go see if it's the good ones. Clean them up, take them home. Throw a little Italian dressing on them. Ain't nothing better than that. Is it the white ones? It looks like the right ones. That one's a little big. We're gonna try it anyway. You gotta clean it up. Clean it up. It tastes like celery and cucumber mixed. It's pretty good. Lay that right there. Go get this one. got 2 pieces, that's good. If I see any more on the way home, I'll stop. And just cleaning that up. Be a nice little snack. Get all these, kind of like a cactus with all these little spurs. You just clean that up like that, and you peel the outer skin and slice it up. I'm trying to use this other camera, probably hard for y'all to see. Here we go, 2 little pieces of thistle. Alright y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video. I caught the 3 fish. The wind's picking up and it looks like they turned the pumps on because I see everything going that way. They got current in the water, so that stirs up the bottom and just makes it hard to fish. I hope that airplane's not drowning out the sound like that. Alright y'all, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I caught the 3 fish. I had to do a take 2 because of the airplane. But if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.